end. Okay, so now we make a ball of this white color. Okay, and then we take this green and make it flat. Okay, and then you put it like this. Okay, take more green, make it flat and cover it like this. Right, you have seen this cabbage, right? Then you have to cover it full, totally. Okay, so give it a shape of a like this. Yes, then you take more, cover it, take more, and this, children, you have to practice this at home. Okay, and you have to make on your own. You have to send your video when teacher will tell you. Practice this. Okay, and like this. See, now it looks good. Now we are going to, there's some designs over it, no? So we'll make this like the flower, cauliflower, no? So we'll make some designs so it looks like a cauliflower. Okay.